Welcome to our channel. Today, we embark on a journey to a continent teeming with life in all its forms, from the vibrant tapestry of cultures in its cities to the raw, untamed beauty of its natural wonders. South America. Join me as we traverse the ancient Inca trails, feel the mist from the mighty Iguazu Falls, and lose ourselves in the rhythm of the tango in Buenos Aires. We will explore the surreal landscapes of the Atacama Desert, marvel at the biodiversity of the Amazon rainforest, and witness the unique wildlife of the Galapagos Islands. This continent is a testament to the power of nature and the enduring spirit of human civilization.